Okay, I'll take that one. I'll take that one. I'm looking for another pullback and see if I can get another one in. Because we got ourselves a captain set up on the 70. I mean, if we close this candle up, I may just jump in around that 95 and look for a break. Very noisy. I'm gonna get out of this trade. So we're hitting a whole number again. Let them flush right under. There's a lot of stops under 98. They could take those out. Man. Okay. Took that. I took I think 5 points or something, a little bit better than the 6.5 points, and covered the rest for break even. Distance between it and the middle of the range about 20 plus points, so this is probably a good one to take. I'm just gonna try to take it with one contract. Just one contract, see how far we can go with it. Probably make a quick scalp. Come on, don't do it. See if we can get 38 out of it. We should be able to. Yeah, I think I'm probably gonna stop. Well, we'll see. We get stopped out. Yep, that's a flat. That's fine. Potential 6-prong captain set up long on this steady into wrinkle. If we break 67. We have missed it. Damn it. Should be running up to 75. Well, here we go. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Get to 75. If you get to 75, then we are in business. Here we go. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And get out. Because that's the kind of day we got going on here. Took the first one for a small profit and waited for the switch trade to show up. And boom, boom. Let's go. Let's get busy. I am gonna get fucking aggressive. Whatever is gonna happen is gonna happen. If I lose money, I lose money. Ah, are you serious? I'm gonna go break even. Wow. Almost got my target there. It's gonna stop me right now. Okay. That's fine. But man, I mean, I was good 10, 20 points in that trade. And I was trying to I was trying to hold on to it. Be honest with you, you just moved too fast. That's basically what it was. But whatever, I made money.